Doctor, as a residence doctor and protest
Goa Association of Resident Doctors, they have given me a letter saying that they would be going on strike from 1 p.m. today. Okay, and in that they have said that they will also do emergency services will be continued. Okay, I as a dean and my medical superintendent and director admin, we understand the sentiments of the guard, and we stand in solidarity with their feelings, because it is about the incidents that has happened in one state of this country, and the doctor community is shaken up. So in this regard, I also had a discussion with our Honorable Health Minister, and he also expressed his sentiments towards the feelings of the guard, and we had meetings of heads of department to see how we can function in this situation. So all HODs have been briefed, and they are ready to carry on the emergency work. Emergency work will not stop. The patients' lives will be saved here. It is very, very important that being a tertiary, we take care of our patients who comes with emergency. So the only routine work, that is routine operations, routine admissions, and elective, we call it elective, this work will be stopped till the time the residents join back.
तुझं अनेक गजाल आयकपाक येता की IMA will फाल्यांच्यान OPD बंद करपाचें म्हणून. सो तूं GMCची OPD बंद आसतली फाल्यां?
आमची OPD कशी आसता ना, आमची OPD बंद अशी आसची ना, बट इट विल बी स्केल्ड डावन, बिकॉज आमचे कडेन दोतोर कमी आसतले न्ही. OPD आतां कोण आयलो, आमचो एक ऑपरेटेड पेशंट पयर ऑपरेट केल्लो, तेज्या पयलीं ऑपरेट केल्लो, ताका फॉलोअप लागता न्ही, ही बिकम्स अ कायंड ऑफ OPD एमर्जन्सी. So in that case, how we can tell them you go back? So we being catering for so many patients in the state of Goa, आमच्याकडे low scale, very low scale OPDs will function.
So आज तेराच्यान
तांच्यांनी टायमींग दिला फ्रॉम 1 PM. ती डेट दिवना तांच्यांनी. I asked them for clarity. What they said, they would like to go with the national association of guard. There are guards association like Goa Association Resident Doctor. There is MARD, Maharashtra Association. So they would like to go with other associations, and they will intimate me by evening. And I have also told HODs to be around in the campus, all of them, and SOS we will take calls, whatever is needed to make this hospital function to save lives, we will do.
So what are their demands?
Demands, they say that there are 4, 5 demands, 6 demands they have given. They are asked for impartial, transparent investigation, which will be at the place where the incidents has happened. Then they have also said swift justice to the disease and compensation. They also said no police brutality should happen. Again, at the place where it is happening, formation of expert committee to speed up implementation of Central Healthcare Protection Act, which is being today morning, I think JP Nadda ji has already spoken on this. There is a breaking news on that. So that part again lies with the central government. For us, they are saying improving security measures in the campus. We are on it. Dr. Rajesh Patil, who is the medical superintendent, has already given a brief that all our CCTV cameras are functioning. We have more than 300 cameras. We need to demo them to all the people. We are also going to train our security guards through police force and see that they are really professional, because as of now we find some of them are not that professional, so they will become professional. And also looking at the safety of all the duty rooms and all. So that part we will take care. That is only relevant to our this. They are also saying providing better quality and secure duty rooms. Yes, definitely we will provide, but this campus has got a lot of security in place. This campus has not reported any such incidents in last so many years. So but still, if it is a demand, we will look into it and we will do it. In fact, we already had one emergency meeting under the MS as a chairperson.
सो हाज्या पयलीं अशे डिमांड्स येवंक नाशिल्ले फर्स्ट टायम डिमांड म्हळ्यार गोवा रिलेटेड जी डिमांड आसा ती
गोवा रिलेटेड डिमांड पयलीं सुद्दां कांय अशी येवं ना. आज हे फर्स्ट टायम आयला म्हणजे तेंचें म्हणणें कितें की आमचे कडेन सुद्दां हांगा अशी इन्सिडंट्स घडूंक शकता वीच आय डोंट डिनाय बिकॉज टुडे द सोसायटी इज यू सी सच incidents is happening in so many places. So I fully agree with what demands they have put and we will fulfill them.
आणि तांच्यांनी टायमींग फाल्यां आसतलो परत सर प्रोटेस्ट
तांच्यान आयच्यान 1 वाजल्या पासून ते स्ट्रायकार आसा अशें दिलां तांच्यांनी.
फाल्यांचे अजून
कांय दिवना.
थँक्स.